हेलो आयुष, आवाज आ रही है आपको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ आयुष, ओके। तो कैन
Good.
यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ?
Yeah. So good evening, sir. I am Ayush Rawat, and I am from Srinagar, Gadwal. Currently, I am doing my Bachelor's of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering from Graphic Era Hill University. And among all of the subject, data structure happens to be my area of interest. Prior to that, I have completed my diploma in electronics engineering from Government Polytechnic Srinagar, Gadwal, and I have done my schooling from Srinagar itself. I have worked on a research paper which was based on the credit card fraud detection, and paper is also accepted in conference. And my technical skills are C++, Java, HTML, CSS, PHP. And using these tech skills, I have made several projects like disease prediction system, auction management system. And my achievements are I have achieved the All India rank 1212 in code gauge competition, which was organized by the Coding Ninjas, and I have solved 500 plus coding questions in different platforms like GFG and LeetCode. Talking about my hobbies, I like to do photography and traveling. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Can you explain about the auction management system that you built?
Yeah, so sir, the auction management system is based on the biddings. Like there we can make the bids. So basically, tech skills I have used here was the HTML, CSS for the front end, and for back end I have used the PHP. So there was the two separate landing pages. First one was for the admin, and second one was for the normal user. So there was the registration panel firstly, and when user will register there, so then if admin will approve the user, then user will be able to make a bid or use a auction management system. So there user can make separate bids or make their own item sell, and these all functionality will be dependent on the admin only. Admin have the right to approve all the bids or reject all the bids.
Okay, okay. So how would you check that if the user who is using your system is admin user or anyone else?
Yeah, so sir, there was in database I have two tables. One was for the admin, and second one was for the user. So in a separate table there was the admin details. So if admin logging into the website, so it will landing to the login page. If user will be logging in from this website, so it will land to the user page. So it will be defined in a if else condition. So if username will be equal to admin, so it will land to the admin page, and same for the user also.
Okay, okay. So, okay, so how are your concept?
So it's good, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me about the inheritance?
Yeah, so
What is
sir,
inheritance?
so inheritance is basically where all the properties of parent class will be inherited to the child class. So these properties can be methods or data members. In OOPS,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Now can you share your screen?
Okay, sir. Sir, is it visible to you?
Yes, I wish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so show me an example of inheritance.
Okay, sir. So sir, I have made the parent class first. So now I will inherit the parent class to the child class. So for inheriting this, I need to use extend keyword. Using extend keyword, I can inherit the classes. So then I need to write the class name, and then I can give members to it. Now the public function of parent class will be inherited to the child class also. So this function will also work for the child class also, but the private functions or private members will not used by the child class. And here we can give other extra members also. Yes, sir. So it is child class. So in Java, we can do three types. We can do three types of inheritance. Single inheritance. This is the example of single inheritance, and then multi-level inheritance. In this, we can use multiple levels. Like after this, I can make one more level. Like this is two levels, and after this, I can make one more level, and child two, and we will extend the child class here. So this is multi-level, and one is multi-level, and then there is a multiple inheritance, but multiple inheritance is not used in Java, because we cannot extend more than one class in Java, but we can use interface. With the help of interface, we can perform the multiple inheritance. Also in multiple inheritance, we have more than one base classes, and all the base classes will be inherited to the child class. And for that we need to make the interface. This is for inheriting the interface, we need to write implement keyword, and using implement we can inherit the more than one parent classes. So multiple inheritance can be achieved using interface.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, in your projects, when you connected to the, how did you connected your code to the database?
Yeah, so sir, yes, sir. So in my project, I have used the MySQL database using the JAM server. JAM server is the free server which provide the database, and in this I have used the MySQLi.connect, and for that we have to give some parameters inside it, like localhost, password, and database name, and the table name.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, have you worked on, did you work on SQL? Did you create the tables and use joins?
Sir, tables were created directly inside the database, but for interacting with database, I have used the PHP there.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
in database, do you know what are joins?
Yes, sir. Joins. When we combine more than one table, so we need to use joins. Like joins are different types, like left join, right join, outer join, and inner join.
Do you know unions in database? What is a union?
Yes, sir. Union is basically, if we will do union of two tables, it will give the output as which values will be the same in both the tables.
Can you show me example of that?
Yes, sir. Like there is table 1, and entries are there are 4 names, and there is a table 2, and entries are then if I will do the union of both the tables, so it will give output as a Ayush, Piyush, and Ram, because these entries are same in both the tables.
Okay. Okay. So do one thing.
Yes, sir.
In table one,
Yes,
let's
sir.
say we are creating an employee table, and for table one we have Ayush, and
Yes.
in front of it write down the salary 10,000.
Okay, sir.
So you should keep other name also. I'm about to
What,
give
sir?
a use case. Please just control that because we are going to give salary each of project.
You are not audible, sir.
Okay, so type another name. Like, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So after 10,000, please press enter
Yes, sir.
and write other names like Ram
Okay.
and give him salary 20,000.
Okay.
Okay. Now another name like Sakshi
Hmm.
and give her 15,000.
Hmm.
Okay. So now in table 2,
Yes, sir.
we have few names. Let's give them address. Let's say Ayush lives in Dehradun.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ram lives in Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Sakshi lives in Punjab.
Yes, sir.
And Piyush lives in Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes,
what
sir.
if we apply left join in these two tables
Yes, sir.
based on the name of the employee?
Yes, sir.
What will be the result set?
Okay, sir. So the result will be Ayush.
Thank you. Please write it down.
Okay, 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 sir. This will be the output, sir. It will not give output for Piyush.
And you are doing it for which one? Inner join, left join, or right join?
What, sir?
You are showing this output for inner join or left join or
Left,
right
left,
join?
left join, sir. This is for left join.
Okay. So if what if it is a right join? What will happen then?
Okay, sir. Then the entry of Piyush will be shown there, but there will be null value on place of salary, and his place will be there.
All right.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Okay. So do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Let's say there is a string.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The string is ARO
ARO
HAR.
HAR.
So okay. So in here, I want to know.
Yes, sir.
I want to know the. I want to get those alphabets from here, which are not repeating.
Okay.
Within this string.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So can you write a code for that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so write that code and we will discuss further. Okay?
Okay, sir. Here it is, sir.
Okay, so is this how
Yes,
it will work?
yes, sir. So I am passing the string in function. So inside this function, I have created an array of 26 size because there are 26 character in uh, alphabets. So first for loop, I am traversing this loop in whole string, and I am counting the total number of occurrence of all the characters like str of I minus a. So it will directly increase the increment the occurrence of every character. Then in second loop, I am traversing the this array where I have counted the occurrence of all the characters, and then if occurrence will be equal to 1, then I am printing this character.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, okay. Do you know what is a function overloading?
Yes, sir. So function overloading is basically same name of function but different type of argument. With the help of function overloading, we can perform multiple tasks with the same name of functions.
And what is function overriding?
Function overriding is a example of compile time polymorphism, and function overloading was the runtime polymorphism. So in overriding, it is used in inheritance. In inheritance, when we inherit the function of parent class to the child class, then if we will give it to another functionality in the child class, so it will be overriding.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, when you let's say you're solving a problem
Okay, sir.
and you're stuck there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, let's say you have worked in many projects. No?
Yes, sir.
So, what was the most difficult problem that you faced in all those projects? Any one problem that you remember?
Like, sir, the auction management system was my first project, and that time I was not aware about all the languages that much. So that time when I was connecting the making the session, like I have made the two separate pages for the admin and users. So to connect these pages, and I was stuck there. Like if I was pressing the back arrow, so it was going to the previous page after if it was not after if it was log out from there.
Hmm. So, how did you solve it?
So sir, basically that
I,
time.
I,
Yes,
I
sir.
want to know I want to know the steps that you took to resolve
Yes,
that.
sir. Firstly, let me tell you the answer. What was the solution of that? So I have made the session there. So using session, I have solved this problem. But that time I was not aware about the session and these such things. So that time, firstly, I was using the if else condition. Like if I was going back, like I was using the brute force method. Like if he's log out, so I was setting up a variable with 0 or 1 like flag, and I was using this, but it was going very complicated, and it was not giving the correct output as well. Like in many cases it was giving the wrong output, like it was doing the same functionality again, repeating the same functionality again. After that, I have asked my senior, so she helped me to go to use session. Then I have read about the session, and then I used it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, right now you are doing BTech. You are in which semester?
Right now I am in 8th semester, sir.
Eighth semester.
Yes, sir.
So, you have given the exam of eighth semester, or they will have
No,
those
sir.
exams
It
still
will
have
it will held in April or May.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, will you be able to manage the workload?
Sir, actually, right now there is no workload from the college side, because now we need to go college only for exams.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ayush. So, that was all from my side.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir, there is no question. Can you give me my feedback?
Everything looks fine to me.
Okay.
It was from every from every point of view from my side.
Okay, sir.
So there is no such feedback.
Okay.
Just keep it up. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.